Every one of you need to know that, understand that. Every one of you need to give attention to the fact that this particular social media in the modern going digital age and technology has given a positive potential to this social media and the technology. Honorable and esteemed judges and my worthy opponents, I would like to tell you, when this social media is used wisely, when this social media is used in good hands, then I can say that this social media acts as a force of justice. It acts as a tool of criminal prevention rather than a catalyst of criminal behavior. With this, greetings to honorable and esteemed judges and my worthy opponents. I, Divyansh Khanna, stand before you to address a pressing issue of our times, that I believe that, I strongly agree that the social media is a tool for criminal prevention, and simultaneously I also disagree with my worthy opponent's fact that it is not a catalyst of criminal behavior. I would like to tell you, as soon as the digital modern age came, modern technologies came, you need to understand that if the social media is used in good hand, if the social media is used wisely, then obviously it does not act as a catalyst of criminal behavior. So, honorable and esteemed judges, I will be providing you the analytical, statistical and factual data to prove my motion. You need to understand that in modern age, the ability of social media to disseminate the information so rapidly and connecting the law enforcement and people, it has made the social media an essential tool to fight against crime. So at first, I am having a statistical data by International Association of Chief of Police. This is the credible, authentic, reliable data that is produced by them, and this shows that our social media, it is 82% successful in preventing and investigating the crime. So I would just like to ask one thing to my worthy opponent. Sir, do you still think that this 82% of the success rate of preventing the crime is a small figure? No, sir. It's a very big quantitative figure, and we cannot neglect this thing. And at second, I would like to tell you, let us talk about our Indian aspect. An initiative by Ministry of Home Affairs under Amit Shah ji, that is Union Home Minister. I hope every one of you heard about this particular app, Cyber Ghost, which was initiated in 2022. So this particular app, that is Cyber Ghost, you can find it in Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. This was initiated by Ministry of Home Affairs, in which they give the cyber safety tips to individuals, and 24/7 they monitor the social media platforms to prevent the criminal activities. Another thing, even talking about USA, Federal Bureau of Investigation, we could take United Nations State on Drugs and Office, they also use the social media as a preventive measure to address the cyber crimes that is happening in the social media. Another thing, I would like to tell you a very famous, notable case studies in India that proves that the social media is a tool for criminal prevention. Honorable and esteemed judges and my worthy opponent, I would like to tell you, in 2017, a minor girl from West Bengal was prevented from human trafficking just through social media, when a post on social media of disappear was sent. So the police enforcement and the law enforcement monitored the social media and they prevented this. Similarly, in 2020, a case in where WhatsApp so many child exploitation was happening, a child sexual abuse was happening, it was also prevented through the social media platform. So I would like to ask one thing, do you still think that? Okay, honorable and esteemed judges, I would like to tell you, I am having Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam with me, Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam of 2023. Even the section 65B of the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam admits the admissibility of electric evidence to be used in the court of law. So I would just like to ask you that this particular evidence also includes the social media. So will you still neglect the social media? Sir, we cannot neglect the social media. If, for example, someone is threatening you, someone is bullying you, someone is harassing you in any social media platform, then tell me, this social media is the only thing which would help to prevent the crime. Honorable and esteemed judges, coming to the conclusion. It's a very clear thing. As a cyber expert, Mark Goodman said that technology, including social media, can neither be good or bad, but it depends on who uses it and how it is used. If we will use the social media wisely and judicially, nothing will happen. So I would say, let us not blame the social media, but let us focus on using it wisely and judicially. Thank you everyone. Signing off. Jai Hind.